100 bands for a kilo, and it ain't nothing new. On the graph of the loop, and I hang with the mob.
Hello. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at my nails. They're so cute. They're like iridescent. But today's video is a day in my life in the quarantine. As you know, I have not been in school since the week before spring break. So I won't go back to school probably in May, but I'm just chilling right now. I just went out to get some wings and more because I was starving. And let me get up. And I'm just chilling. I think I need to do a video. So I was thinking if I should like clean out my closet and like some clothes. I think that would be fun and organize. Right? And look who's here with me. My sissy. Say hi, Minnie Ray. She's all, I always catch you staring. Why you looking at me, dude? I always catch you staring. As anybody. If you haven't seen that on TikTok, if you haven't followed me on TikTok, go follow me. I'll leave it up there somewhere. But look at my shirt, guys. I did a TikTok and I got this picture from Jenny69 because I'm obsessed with her. So I had to make a little crop top of her because like her bomb ass lips. And look at myself. It's doing good. Oh look guys, I don't know how I got this like 3 days ago. Out of nowhere. I woke up with this. It's like a burn. So I haven't been putting on makeup. I'm trying to let my face heal. So yeah, let me put you on a tripod. Did y'all hear Madison Beer's new song, Selfish? Oh my god, so good. Wait, how do you do this? Can't work my own tripod. Closet. Just a day in my life. Since I'm not really doing anything, I already finished all my homework. Cause you know, be on top of your game because you know we honor roll students here. So, oh guys, and I need to get more SIM cards because every time I film a video, it cuts off because you have no storage. So I have to keep deleting my videos, like past ones I did. And I don't like doing that because I like the same videos. You know? And let me put y'all on, guys. I need to go to Walmart and get y'all these sandals. These are like only $7 and they're gonna be popular in the summer. And instead of going to Journeys and spending like 40 to 20 bucks, you can get them at Walmart for $7. And let me put y'all on too. With this Wet n Wild natural finish setting spray. This is mother freaking bomb. Like no one has not talked about this, and this is so good. Like oh my god, your face is like. And also, it's a little dirty, but see e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. Get this shit. And I got the medium shade. This is bomb AF. That's why my makeup game has been strong. Like I've been looking freaking flawless. So purchase, screenshot. Get this shit. So my shoes, gotta put them up. Oh my god. She's so freaking pretty. And goes into her music, because bomb AF. So, I have my trash cans. I'm gonna clean out my vanity. And guys, have y'all been bored? Because I've been ordering stuff online. Like yesterday I was gonna order me a moisturizer from freaking Sephora. And I bought something on Amazon. And I thought it took out the money, like, when I got it. But I swear that it took it out. And so I thought, oh, I have money in my account, right? And to find out, it took it last night. And so I couldn't order what I was getting because, you know, very expensive. I wasn't getting moisturizer, but I was getting other things too. So because I was paying an order and it's saying error, check your like card, getting a card number. I was like, it's right. And oh my god, hiccups. So I checked my bank account and then I have really not much money in there. So I was like, oh my god. So I was so pissed yesterday because I needed moisturizer so bad. So that like ruined my night. So now and if you haven't tried this is bomb AF. Dollar Tree, better than Mario, honestly. If you haven't watched my recent Dollar Tree haul, go watch it because y'all can get some bomb ass goodies. And I'm gonna tell you this, don't ever buy this again because this burned my face for some reason. It's been doing good on my face and all of a sudden it's like burning my face and irritating it, and I don't like it, so I'm not using it anymore. And I need for myself a good toner, so y'all know any link it down in the comments below to help a girl out. And I think I'm gonna give it to my mom because there's like that much left. I mean, like I pretty much used it, but my nightshirt. This is the best blanket my grandma gave to me. No! This is the best blanket. My grandma got it from Sam's. It's very thick and it felt like there's somebody on top of you. I know, it was just like knock you out quick. Right there. I don't have a comforter anymore because it got really ugly and I need a new one, so I just use a blanket. But my Ray, she ruined my blanket because when she takes a shower, she gets all in her mood to dry herself and she likes to smack my blanket. So and that's how good can get. And then I put my blanket. I need to clean this. My mom wrote stuff on here, so I don't know if she needs it. So want to play Uno with me. But at school we used to play Uno. Sometimes I win, sometimes I don't. That's just life. And remember how I said I was gonna put stickers? I haven't even gotten stickers for this. So my boyfriend ordered stickers. Show how I get some stickers from there and see what I like. And put them on there. Y'all know I had to put my favorite. I had to put Post Malone, I had to put YouTube. I have to put probably Batty B for finding stickers. Stuff I like. I know this is itchy. I gotta sneeze. Bless me. I touched dust. Don't know what that is for. I need to put these back in my armoire. My bestie got me this, and it smells so good.
We don't have this is the only thing we have. We don't have no essential oil, right? Forget there's a whole bunch of flies by the front door. What is that? Is that like a... Let me see that. What is... Yeah, there was tons of flies by
Essential oil.
I don't know. There's a lot of flies by the front door.
How did this get tangled? Okay, this I was supposed to use, but like it doesn't even make sense on my camera. I have to figure it out. And now guys, we got these screen protectors for your phone. Dollar Tree. It has good ones. So I have an extra one. My line already broke, so I dropped it so many times, but see, this is my other tripod. But I want to get the other one. I have one for my ring light and the mini one, and then this is my medium one. Oh guys, and I've been working out. I've been trying the 2-week ab challenge from, I'll put her name down below or right here on the screen. And that's a killer. Like, I already see myself already like losing some fat. But I feel like if I do it every week, I'll get really toned for the summer. And I have my laptop's there. Let me take Okay, my closet. Oh, look at that. Junky. I still have room and I just buy a lot of stuff. My bird looks ugly. I didn't fart. It was my fan. Let me show you. Oh, we feel each other, right? We comfortable, right? So, I wear this, I wear this, I wear this. Mainly towards the back, I don't know where else I'm gonna see. I have this polo shirt, and I should probably cut it into a crop top. I'm gonna cut it, so I'm gonna leave it out. Ah. Yeah. So, I'll put you right there. As you can tell, I need to organize and clean because it's messy. I haven't even tried this yet, but probably today I'll take a bath. Because your girl likes bubbles. So, clean my mirror. Damn. Hey guys, so I cleaned up a bit of my room. Then I got distracted and then I started watching TikTok videos. So I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna post it because I think it's great for today's video. The video is pretty boring, but it's just what I'm doing at this moment. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I post. And I might just do post here and there for a bit. If I have ideas, I'll just post more than one time. Maybe I'll start for a little bit. Since we're in quarantine, I can like do other videos. But yes, guys, thank you for 241 subscribers. I hope we can just succeed to 300. So we're very close to 250. So let's go to 300. And yeah, don't forget to watch my Dollar Tree hauls. Don't forget to watch any of my videos. So I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye.